Hello, this is Reverend Rutaisiri. I'm going to show you how we can schedule a meeting using the Microsoft Teams. And uh, for this time, I want to pass through the discussion room on Moodle for Teachers. And once you want to add a new discussion topic, you will see a dialog box here. And the right corner, you will see an icon for Teams meeting. You click on it and you will see a box like this where you will be required to create a meeting link. You click on it, you add a title. Suppose that I have to teach this course on Monday, coming the next Monday on 1st of June, starting from 8 a.m. And for example, it will be for 1 hour, and we add the link like this. And I thank you very much for the time this time, and see you in the next video where I will highlight some features that Microsoft Teams has. Thank you.